Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking gear and anchors. Inspect each chain visually and by feel. If any link shows distortion, stop and replace it. Next, choose anchor points rated above your cargo weight so nothing shifts under dynamic loads. Attach one end of the chain to a secure point. Once done, lay the chain across the load to determine length and binder placement. Make sure to position binders where you can reach them safely before lifting or tensioning. You now tension and secure the load with consistent technique. Cross the chains to resist side-to-side movement, then hook binders and take up slack gradually. Use short, controlled strokes on lever binders or ratcheting actions on ratchet binders. This prevents sudden shifts. Make sure the chain sits flat in the binder jaws and does not twist, because twists reduce strength. Once the load feels tight, walk around and recheck each binder and attachment point. Make minor adjustments until there is no perceptible movement. You finish by verifying security and planning checks on the road. Do a firm tug test on each chain, drive 10-20 miles and retorque every binder because settling often loosens tension. Protect contact areas with edge protectors so chains don't saw into cargo or fray. If you detect new slack, stop as soon as it's safe. Don't wait. If a chain is damaged or won't hold tension, replace it before continuing. This single fix prevents
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.